Do you run a physical shop or a web shop and are wondering how you can help your customers with an easy, convenient delivery of the products they just purchased? Your clients may find some products difficult to transport. Offering deliveries only in particular time spans can also prevent the buyer from collecting the shipment. We at Raben have also noticed such problems and have introduced a new innovative solution, B2C. It combines all of your consignees' requirements. Two-man handling. The shipment is manually unloaded at the destination place. This option is available for deliveries during working hours. Evening delivery. For better convenience, your clients can also choose evening delivery when they're at home. My Delivery gives you and your clients the opportunity to be notified of delivery times by email and to plan delivery dates more flexibly. You can combine the B2C solution with a whole range of Raben services for the consignee. Raben B2C deliveries with such services like two-man handling, evening delivery and My Delivery make shopping with you simple and convenient. Raben, your partner in logistics.